Oh, Auntie Chinwe. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, darling. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good to have you here.
Same here, darling. Your dad is not home?
No, he went out for a meeting on the island. He said he'll be back soon. Okay. Is everything all right?
Away with your curious self, Joe. Is there anything to eat?
Let's just go and check. Really.
Talk to me, Chinwe.
I want a baby.
A baby?
Yes. And if you support me, I'll go ahead with it.
Ahead with what exactly?
Artificial insemination.
You are not joking.
I'm not joking, Sumbo. Look, I'm not getting any younger. I'm slowly growing into a bitter spinster. I just want a child, and I want a child with you.
Having a child is a whole responsibility. Are you sure we are ready to bear the burden?
Look, I am. We are. Plus, we have the girls to support us.
Listen, while I understand you, I have to be objective too. I want to be sure if you are not making this decision out of frustration. Plus, I need to discuss this with my girls.
Look, I just want a baby. I just want a child with you. Maybe if I move in here for a couple of days, I don't know, maybe it could help. I don't know.
As in, she was just weeping, no, saying she wants a baby. Yeah. Are you even listening to me? I said Auntie Chinwe was crying, saying she wants a baby.
She wants what?
Oh, I said it. You weren't even listening to me. She wants a baby.
Eh? A baby by daddy?
Or else artificial insemination.
So, what did daddy say? But wait, were you there or you were eavesdropping?
What do you think? Daddy kept asking her if she was sure, and then she started crying again.
Bumi. This Yame boy is getting too much. Oh. It is getting too much. It will land you in trouble one day.
But I do it for you and Tayo. If not, how will you keep informed about happenings? Oh, okay. What were you even staring at on your phone?
Eh? Don't even try to bring that your amebo attitude near me. Oh yeah, stand up now. Go to your room. Go, I want to get ready to go to bed, I beg. Every time you be doing cho. You stand up at people's door to hear what they are saying. Stand up and leave now before I push you out. Don't worry.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Where is Shade?
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
I don't feel like going to work today.
That's strange. Why not? What's wrong?
Do you feel ill?
No, I'm fine. I just don't feel like going.
Oh.
But it's alright. I'll go.
Okay. Bumi, take care of Chinwe. I'll be back soon.
That's what you say all the time, and then you'll be back at night.
To my daddy, let's go. Bye, Bumi.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, Shade, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What is it? How long do you intend to run? Eh?
Please, sir, you're hurting me.
What is the big deal after all? Eh? What is the big deal really?
I'm not that kind of person.
Oh, please. That is what you always say. Everyone has a price.
Please, sir, let me go. I have work to do.
Work. Work that you will soon bring back to me. Come, it's getting boring. You need this as much as I do. Eh, Shade, please. Did she come out of the room at all?
She didn't come out until around 5 p.m. She ate something, talked a bit, and went back into your room.
And she hasn't come out since then?
I went back to your room to check her. She refused to open the door. Daddy, it's depression.
Let me go and check on her.
Okay, Dad. Yeah. Welcome, big sis. How was your day?
My day was just there. My boss is an animal. I don't think I'm going to work tomorrow. Nor am I going next week.
Why not? What's wrong?
He wants to sleep with me.
Didn't you tell him you have a boyfriend?
Huh? As if that ever stops them. The guy is just a randy fool. And on top of that, he's even married.
You know what? I think we should tell Daddy.
No, not this time. Mike is my boss and he can easily get me sacked if I annoy him. I'll just try and avoid him as much as I can.
But he's your boss. You can't avoid him.
I don't know, I'm just so confused. Where's Dad? I'm sorry.
In Dad's room.
Eh? Doing what?
Calm down. Calm down. Don't give yourself a heart attack.
It is you who should not give me a heart attack.
Chinwe is depressed. Daddy is talking to her. That's all.
So they are still on this child issue? Oh, wow.
She was indoor through. She only came out briefly at 5 to eat, and that was it. It's depression.
Tatafo, it's you that will know what it is.
Anyway, I still think we should tell Daddy about your boss. Let's tell Daddy.
No, I can't. He already has a lot on his hands. I think I'll just spare him this one, at least.
Spare him this one. Okay.
Good morning, Dad.
Morning.
Chinwe.
Is that food?
Yes, Dad. I woke up very hungry. Chinwe, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Aren't you going to work today?
No, I decided to take today off to spend time with you. Well, seems like you're going out.
Yes. We are going out.
Together? Where?
Out. Are you sure you don't have problems at work?
No, nothing I can handle, Daddy.
That grin was too quick. You will explain the sentence too when I get back. Jide is coming.
Okay.
Tell him to wait for me. I'll be back soon.
All right, Dad. Bye.
Bye.
Your father and his sense of timing. Attire for a move.
Maybe something else came up.
I'll wait for another 30 minutes, and if he's not back, I'll leave. Meanwhile, how is work, Shade? I understand Michael has joined your company.
Do you know him?
Mike and I go way back. He's useless, dude. Very useless, man. But he knows his onions. How is he doing?
He's harassing her.
Bumi, what is wrong with you?
Harass? As in sexually?
Yes. I don't know why Shade wouldn't tell Daddy.
Mike. Mike is feeling like a boss or what? When did it start?
Last month.
And you did not tell your father. I'll take this up myself. I'll wait until your father comes back. Can you imagine? Mike of yesterday. Wonders will never end in this world.
I just don't want any trouble. He told me countless times he can get me sacked.
He is mad. I will get him sacked. I will ensure that he does not do anything with that his useless life. Mike. I'll wait until Sumbo comes back. What kind of nonsense is this?
I don't just know why you didn't tell me. What do I have to do to get information from you girls?
I'm sorry, Dad. You seem to have a lot on your hands.
You are my priority. Everything else can wait. Everything else.
I'm sorry, Dad.
You said this thing started last month.
Yes. At first it was subtle. Nothing major, but then he came out straight and told me what he wanted. And then he started blocking me everywhere. It was a real struggle going to his office for meetings and reports.
So is the reason you decided not to go to work today? I thought that's strange too. Only Bumi decides not to go to work for no reason at all.
Daddy. See finishing.
Don't worry, Shadia. We'll work something out.
Okay. Thanks, Dad. How's Chinwe though?
It's depression.
I said it.
The early stages. We went to see the doctor and he gave her the contact of a psychologist. And she promised she would go.
Yeah. I pray she's fine now.
She will be fine. These things happen. I'm just glad I could help.
Yeah. Watching.
How are you? I'm fine. Why are you resisting me, for goodness sake?
I'm feeling out of my daughter.
You are an animal. Essaye le pas dévaluer ce skill.
Are you alright?
You get to be a disgrace to my home. Please, I'm very, very sorry, sir. It is not what you think. I apologize. Shut up!
Only reason I didn't report to the police is because I respect your boss.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Stop! Stay there. Animal.
Shade, tell me about Uncle Jide's part.
Bumi, you should have seen it. In fact, Uncle Jide looked like something straight out of an action movie. I'm telling you, it was something to see. But I think he took this whole matter pretty personal. Daddy, did Mike wrong him in the past?
Apparently, Mike raped his girlfriend way back in school.
Wow! That sucks.
That's wrong.
Yes, it is. And he can't seem to get over it since then.
And it all came tumbling out in that last blow.
Seriously.
Hi!
Shade,
But you get to have seen Mike.
Tell me.
At the point I started pitying him.
Yeah,
The
tell
wife
me.
will have to use hot water to rub his face this
Tell
night.
me how did it happen? Now show me. How did it
Okay, I should come and show you.
happen? No, stand there and show me now.
I have to come and show you now.
Stand there, show me.
Okay, you don't want to see again. Okay?